A lot of my clients come to me saying they don't have a story, and we all know that a story makes a presentation. My answer is everybody has a story. Everybody has something that they have overcome. Recently, I shared that I was born with a speech impediment and I had to learn to speak at 4.5. I also grew up in a council house in Surrey, and my dad worked 2, 3, maybe even 4 jobs to support all 3 of us children. I'm going to stop there because I don't share my brother or my sister's story, and I don't share my parents' story because I've put boundaries in place. Those boundaries are there because I want to respect my family and I share my journey, of course I do, but I have a boundary of where I stop because it's respectful and it's not completely my story. If my parents or my brother and sister were to join me on stage, then we could talk and share and enjoy remembering those stories that we have from our childhood. But because they're not joining me on stage, I park it and I leave it. So everybody has a story. Just make sure you know where your boundary is. Another top tip coming to you soon.